Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is lesson number 2 of Beginner to Pro course. If you have not yet watched lesson 1, you can click the I button and watch from there. So this lesson number 2 is really important for beginners. In this we are going to learn how to hold a pencil. Holding a pencil is really important and the basic thing that you will learn while doing sketching. So this is really simple and there are basically two ways to hold a pencil. So the first way is how you hold your pencil while you write anything. So here you can see that I am writing artist. So this is the same method how you write anything. This is the first way you hold a pencil while you draw. And this is the second method which I am going to show you now. This is how you hold a paintbrush while you paint. So you can see that I am holding this pencil. My thumb is in the middle of the pencil, you can see. So that I am holding it from middle. I have the perfect grip and I am able to draw some lines. I have drawn 4 arcs over there. So there are some mistakes done by the beginners. They hold it too tightly or too loose that the pencil grip is not perfect. So you should have the perfect grip when you draw anything. So you can see that I am scribbling something and I am using only the wrist. So most of the people don't understand that how to get that perfect grip. So here is a method. Just take your thumb and your index finger and make a teardrop like this, and then take the pencil and place it between them, and you can see that the tip is facing the palm, and then flip it over. So yep, you have got the shape that how you have to hold it, and this is the perfect method that you have to use while drawing. So you can see that I am drawing a circle and I am shading it. So this is just a simple shading which I am doing. So you can see that I am using only my wrist. I am not using my hand. So when we use only our wrist, it starts paining if you are doing sketching or drawing for long period, and I am able to reach till here or more than till here. So you can see that I am able to draw for a smaller part of the paper. So you have to use your whole hand. So you can see I am able to draw a big circle and I am able to reach till here. So always make sure that you are using your whole hand when drawing. So you can see that I am able to draw arcs, I am able to draw some straight lines. So you can see, you can practice this as well. Getting a control is really necessary. So the basic thing is that when you use only your wrist, you will start feeling the pain in your hand, and when you are using your whole hand, you will not feel any pain even for working for long hours like 8 to 7 hours. And I know that there are some things that if you're drawing an eye drawing or you're working on a smaller part or doing any details in the drawing, you will use only your wrist, and this is completely okay, because while doing hyper realistic drawings you will need it, and you are using only your wrist in drawing in some parts of the area. But basically while doing sketching, and if you are a beginner, you have to use your whole hand and don't stick to using only your wrist. And you can see that you have to get a good control and see that how I am drawing some arcs and how I am drawing it with using my whole hand. And also you have to practice this to get a good control over the pencil, and this is really important. If you have the good control, you are able to draw the perfect arcs. It's really necessary. And with wrist also you can practice this exercise. Just draw some slant lines, draw some straight lines, draw some horizontal lines. This will make you to get a perfect grip and control on the pencil. So getting a control is really important thing. After practicing for some days or maybe weeks, you will get a good control, but make sure that you are ready for it, and you will need a lot of patience for it. As I said that there are three important things for sketching, that is patience, persistence and practice. So yes, this was the video of how to hold a pencil, and we will meet in the next video. So till then, keep practicing and see you in the next video. Bye.
Midnight, wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers